In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can install Deepseek on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But let's go ahead and get started. Begin by opening up that app store on your iPhone, and down at the very bottom you're going to see a little search icon. Select that and then choose the little search bar, and what you're going to go ahead and do is type in Deepseek just like so and hit enter. From here you are going to see the Deepseek app. Go ahead and select it just like so and hit get on it just like so and type in your password if needed. It'll take a few seconds to download depending on your internet speed. It may take a little bit longer, but once it is installed, you could actually back out and you'll see the app on there on your home screen just like so. Choose it and you'll be prompted to log in. In my case, I'm just going to log in with Apple, but you can use something like your email address or just simply follow whatever on-screen instructions they're asking you to. And after signing up, you'll now be able to chat with the AI for Deepseek. It really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember though, you can ask them down below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.